Hello, my name is Rodrigo and welcome to our garden here at DripWorks. Today, we're going to show you how to plant garlic for a bountiful harvest next season. It's an easy process, but timing and preparation are key. Let's get started. It's important to plant the garlic at the right time. For winter garlic, mid-autumn's ideal, about a month before the first frost sets in. If you plant too early, the garlic will sprout and may freeze. If you plant too late, the cloves won't have time to establish roots before winter. Mid-October is the right time in our area to plant garlic. Garlic loves well-drained loose soil with rich organic matter. Choose a sunny spot like we have here. We prepared this bed 3 weeks ago. Garlic needs nutrients to thrive though in the winter. Add phosphorus and potassium fertilizers to help with root development. Just remember never to mix ash with phosphorus fertilizers as it makes the phosphorus unavailable to the garlic. Enrich the soil with compost or well-rotted manure. Avoid fresh manure as it can burn the roots and harm the garlic. Now let's prepare our garlic cloves. Choose the largest and healthiest bulbs and gently separate the cloves, making sure not to damage the base where the new roots will form. When planting, the depth depends on the size of the clove. For larger cloves, make a furrow about 3 to 4 inches deep and about 12 inches apart. For smaller cloves, plant at a shallower depth, around 2 to 3 inches deep and 4 to 8 inches apart. Space the cloves evenly and cover them with dirt. When planting, we suggest to use our DripWorks garden bead dibbler. To help with planting, it has this little ruler here to help you with depth. So we'll be marking down to 3 inches right there and separate them about every 8. After planting, cover your garlic bed with mulch like hay, sawdust, or compost. Mulch helps keep the soil warm, retains moisture, and protects your garlic from freezing. In the spring, you can leave the mulch in place. It reduces the need for weeding and watering, and as it decomposes, it enriches the soil with nutrients. With the right preparation and timing, you'll enjoy a healthy and delicious harvest next summer. This has been Rodrigo with DripWorks. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next time. And don't forget to like and subscribe.